and welcome to Bite Size Analytics. My name is Adam Kadov and today we're going to be looking at how to implement a forecast into Power BI. So, as you can see, I've got some data already loaded into my Power BI. This is just a simple bar chart. We've got some sales data that is being tracked over a series of months. So if I want to add a forecast to this data, first of all, I'm going to have to open the visualisations tab, and then we are going to have to change this visual. First thing to note when doing a forecast is forecasts only work with line charts. So if I click on my visualization, click the line chart option on the right, it's going to swap our data from a bar chart into a line chart. Now, this now unlocks the ability to add a forecast. We can go to the further analysis button, the little magnifying glass up here in the top right, go down to forecast and simply hit on. Now by default, we get a forecast that is showing us over the next 10 months essentially what our data is predicted to change. I can hover over these various points. I can see its predicted forecast. So in April 2024, I'm expecting 152 sales, upper bound of 189, so the highest it thinks will happen, and 115, the lowest it thinks will happen. Now, as I go through, I can see these change over time. It believes our sales are going to increase over time based off the historical data. Now, if I want to, I can go in and change these options and customize our forecast, which is exactly what we'll be doing in our next video. But for now, that is how to implement a forecast into Power BI. This has been Bite Size Analytics. My name has been Adam Kadov. Thank you very much for watching.